Let's create a resource group for our project. One way to create a resource group is to find a resource via the Create a Resource button in Azure and just type it up. So this is showing me creating a resource. You can create it by that path. The easiest way to create a resource group is to select it from the home dashboard. All I'm doing here is just clicking on the Create a Resource button, and I am going to give it a name. I don't need any text, so I'm going to click Next, Review and Create. Finally, I'll click Create and see that my resource was created. And just a side note, you are not charged for just creating an empty resource group, so you don't get billed for creating resource groups without any resources in them.